If I tell you Samsung phone has this hidden feature to allow you backup your data, and when I say data, it means the photos, videos, documents, and all that onto another device. Yes, so this video is about that. Make sure you watch it till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. So you want to restore your phone back to its factory settings, specifically Samsung phone, and you're stuck. Which video not to select, which one to delete, which photo to keep, which document to keep, and all that confusion. Worry not. Let's dive into this video and watch it till the end. So open your Samsung phone and swipe up, tap on the settings icon, and scroll down all the way to advanced features, and scroll all the way down to transfer data, and it will bring you a menu like this one. You read through and then you tap on continue. Yes, you just take your time, and after tapping continue, it will bring you to this, and these are the documents or the files that you are going to back up. All right, so this will allow you to access them after resetting your phone. So you choose send from this device, of course, because you want to restore your phone back to factory settings. All right, and also if you want to receive on this phone after backing up, you can still repeat the same process. So here you can use wireless like data using Wi-Fi, or you can use cable depending on what is available with you. And after that, proceed to backing up your data. As simple as that. From the demonstration, you've seen it is as easy as 1, 2, 3 to back up your data on a Samsung phone, since they have hid this feature. And I am here to unveil to you these hidden features on your Samsung phone and any other device that I come across. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Liking the video, it will distribute it to wider audience, and one person, maybe if a person had the same issue, they wanted to back up their videos or their documents or their files, this video will be of great help. This is a new channel. Kindly subscribe to it, and let's hit 1,000 subscribers very soon. See you on the next video. Oh, before I hop on to the next video, comment down below which video do you want me to make, which type of phone do you have, and I will do everything in my power to help you on that through a video. See you on the next one. Bye.